So if you are interested to our solar panel cleaning brushes, please come into our Alibaba shop to know more detailing information. Let me introduce 4 different types solar panel cleaning brushes here. Okay, and also you can use this type of solar panel cleaning brushes to clean your windows, cause they have very flexible. Hello, I'm Zoey, and I am introduce our solar panel cleaning brushes here. Our solar panel cleaning brushes here. If you have, let me introduce the red one. You can see the red one, the head here. We have different size, like 35 centimeter brush head, and 55 meter brush head. You can choose. And this type of black, the red one, you can use it to clean your windows. They have a very flexible tension rope. You can change the length of the rope to do some cleaning works. I'm glad to introduce you our polo lens right here. We also have some customers one like 9.9 meters. Hello, welcome to our cleaning brushes. Welcome to our friends. Let me introduce you our solar panel cleaning brushes here. The red mix black one often connected to a water pump. You can use it with a water pump to apply some waters, make some cleaning workers, right? And we have some polo here. We have 3.5 meters and 5.5 meters and 6.5 meters. Also, we have some 9.5 meters customers